Welcome to an introduction to Surah Al-Baqarah, with reflections drawn from Tafhim al-Quran by Sayyid Abul A'la Maududi. The title, Al-Baqarah, or the cow, acts as a symbolic marker, not a topic header. Human language is too narrow to provide a single title for the vast divine themes within. The title merely signifies the surah, where the incident of the cow is mentioned. This surah is the bridge between the Makkah and Medina eras. The majority was revealed immediately after the Hijrah, marking the start of the Medinan period. It includes some of the very last verses revealed, and its structure combines verses from both periods. In Medina, Muslims encountered the Jews, known as the people of the book, who already knew monotheism and revelation. Their religion was in principle the same as Islam taught by Musa, but centuries of decay had distanced them from the original path. The Jewish tribes of Medina had fallen into a state of religious ossification. They held onto the skeleton of the Mosaic law but allowed the spirit to escape. They obscured the divine word, prioritized legalism over piety, and rejected reformers. Through centuries of decline, they forgot their original designation as Muslims, or those who submit to Allah. Religion became a matter of racial heritage, not universal truth. Al-Baqarah invites them back to the original faith of Ibrahim, Musa, and Isa. In Medina, Islam transitioned into a state. Al-Baqarah began revealing comprehensive laws to structure the new society, covering law and politics, economic systems, and social and family life. It became a complete system of life, not just private worship. The fledgling state of Islam was a tiny island surrounded by hostility, facing the threat of total annihilation. The surah prepared the community by teaching sabr or perseverance, and authorized the use of armed defense for the first time to protect the truth. The rise of Islamic power in Medina attracted those with ulterior motives. The phenomenon of nifaq, or hypocrisy, appeared. These individuals entered the community not for the truth, but to sow chaos or protect their social standing. Hypocrisy manifested in four faces: the deniers, who entered to cause internal mischief; the opportunists, who joined to benefit from both sides; the doubters, who lacked personal conviction; and the weak-willed, who mentally rejected the heavy sacrifices required. Surah Al-Baqarah integrates the spiritual with the worldly. It serves as the constitution for the God-conscious, or muttaqin, offering comprehensive guidance from a critique of past nations to the laws of the new state. Ultimately, Al-Baqarah is a mercy. It warns the new ummah not to repeat the errors of the past and provides the tools to build a just future. It calls for a total submission, encompassing the heart, the mind, and the society.